All right, you guys, we are doing a quick meal prep before we do the drawing. So I'm making food for my babies and food for us. So we are having simple hamburgers and some sausages tonight for supper. And it turned out wonderful. It was delicious. And I also decided to meal prep some chicken. And with this chicken, I decided to use that cheese that I made in my last video. So I just took some chicken breast and some green beans and some butternut squash and a little bit of bell pepper and seasoned it up. And then I sprinkled that cheese that I made on top of it and decided to bake it in the oven. And that is what we are going to take for lunch this week. Oh, and I also added some white onion. So it looks delicious. It wasn't quite done here, so I had to bake it a little bit longer, but it looks really, really good. And then it was time for the drawing. So I paused the comments at 7 o'clock and then loaded all the comments into our comment picker and did the drawing. And I wanted to let you guys know also that today is Auntie Anne's birthday, December 8th. So I want to wish her a very happy birthday. And right here, you're going to see who won. I was very surprised. I know you're going to be excited. Drum roll. It is Denise. Denise, aren't you excited? We were just commenting and talking to each other today in the chat. So, Denise, you are our big winner. So, you have 48 hours to comment down below. So, go ahead, let's make it easy. Comment on this video down below. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. So you're just going to comment that winner, winner, chicken dinner, and you're also going to email me at the email that is in the description. Once I verify that you have commented winner, winner, chicken dinner, I'll be able to see that it is from you and it's not some fraud just trying to get your brisket jerky. And then we will get it sent out to you from Amazon. Congratulations, Denise. And if you guys didn't notice, there's a new video that went out today. Check it out. There is another giveaway. I will see y'all later. Have a good night.